Okay guys, sorry it's been so long. It took me so long to do an update. First of all, it's hard to get work done, even when you have money to do it. These guys down here work at slow pace. But anyway, didn't get the tile done yet. I do have all the tiles, but I haven't got it done yet. Did the ceiling recently. I have to mud it and smooth it out myself. Okay, so that's what I'm working on now. I'm gonna call the tile after I'm done with the roof. The ceiling. After I'm done with the ceiling, I'm gonna call the tile. With the tile. So this is the bathroom. Also, this is the shower area and the toilet. And over here will be the face basin. Attic space. It's not completely finished yet, but it's getting there. Okay. So anyway, I had a problem earlier with a rat bat. So I need to clean all this mess up off the wall. This is all droppings, guano, whatever it is. It's not the healthiest stuff. But anyway, I finally sealed up the place. They was coming through this door right here. Well, opening. It's not a door really, it's an opening. And the door, I didn't put the door in yet, so I'm still working on that. I got this window put in finally. It took forever for the guy to come by and do it. Okay, so right now, I need to put someone together and finish this area. All of this right here. That's my next project. So I'm gonna seal this up. Yeah, it's the last sealing I have to do. All right. So meanwhile, I'm waiting to get someone together. I'm gonna be taking a sandpaper to this and cleaning it off. Of course, with some gloves and I don't know, whatever. All on the window here. They got me real good. I didn't know what to do, guys. I was afraid to come to my house at one point. But they got me real good. All this stuff I may have to clean off or throw it away or something. I don't know. Yeah, they was living in here for a while. I tried everything to get rid of them. Well, I put lights. Not everything, but you know, I tried. I put a light right up there to keep them out. So I finally got the windows done upstairs so they can't fly in and out anymore. That helped a lot. That kept them out. All the windows are done upstairs. All right. So they haven't figured out yet that they could fly in through there, but I'm glad they're not that smart. But gotta work on that soon. All right. I still have a lot of work to do, guys. Building a house is hard. It takes a lot of time and money. And like I said, it's kind of hard finding good help. See, all the tiles are right here. Just to find good help, that's the problem. So far I have my front unit rent out still. My tenant is great. And I also have this area back here rented out. So I have 2 units rented out right now. And I'm gonna have to come back with some sandpaper and paint these, repaint them. I don't know what's going on with the ear up here. If you can see, I don't know how is this possible, but so I gotta take like a wire brush to it and come back with some primer and just repaint it. Just paint it black or something. It's always something, guys, always something. Always something. So right now, basically what I've been doing is most of my time is going towards my farm. That's Jimbo over there. It's my ram. This young lady right here is called Big Mama. See if I get a picture of her. Jimbo. Hey. This is Big Mama over here. Big Mama is pregnant again. Last time she gave me one beautiful female. I'm going to show you her in a little bit. These are the puppies. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I show you guys the goat house already. So this is the goat house. I have in this area, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goats in this area. 2, mother and her son. 2 here, mother and daughter. 3 here, Big Mama and her daughter. And this is Jumbo pen right here. I have 2 over here. I recently put in the water supplies. Not finished yet. So far I only have 2. I have 8 more coming soon. So I'm going to continue here. So I don't have to waste water. We don't have running water here. I have a catchment and a tank. But I'm happy for that because that's one less bill I gotta worry about. That kid right there is my pride and joy right now. He was born, my bad, she was born 7 pound 2 ounces. That's very impressive, I think. So I recently built this feeder right here. What I do is put like the dry grass in there and load it up, and they go to work. Works beautiful. Okay. This here is Big Mama daughter. Woo! She is beautiful. Her name is Black Gal. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This girl right here is from the ram that was stolen from me. So I got this out of him, and this kid right here out of him. She's actually older than Black Girl. But I don't know. Black Girl just beat her on size by far. But that's her mother right here, so her mother's not that big. Not like Big Mama. My little ram right here, born a couple days ago. This right here is little one I was telling you about. I was born 7 pound 2 ounces. She's only 6 weeks right now, by the way. She just got her shots, and it's her first day outside. First day outside. Yeah, so the reason I don't bring Jimbo and Big Mama over here, they destroy my fence. The fence is not that strong, so I keep them kind of tied up. Because if it was left up to them, I'd be repairing his fence all the time. I'd plant some corn over here for them. So that's what they're eating on right now. This ram right here, hey, he won't leave me alone. So that's what I do most of my time, you know. basically take care of my goats. I also have pigs also. I'm gonna go look at them a little bit. So as of now, I'm not selling any goats. Maybe later on when the rams get bigger, I'll probably sell them. But I'm not selling any female goats. I'm trying to build my herd up. So I'm keeping all the females. Alright. So as far as income, I have the rental and I have my pigs, which I'm finally getting income from now. I just sold 2 pigs this morning. This is the brand right here. He's 14 months old. Okay. I think it's feeding time. Okay, so this female right here, her first litter she had 8. Out of the 8, 2 died, unfortunately. So I'm down to 6. Okay. By next week, these pigs will be 6 weeks old, ready to sell. These pigs here, ready to sell. Sold 2 already today. This female also, she had 8, and unfortunately 2 died. But that's how farming is. Hopefully you win more than you lose. We'll try again. It's not the end of the world. My layers kind of getting old now, so it's time to retire soon, girls. But that's the update on the house. I still gotta render it. It's been rough cast already. Need to render now and paint. I'm not gonna paint the outside myself. That's a job for somebody else. I'm not doing that. I'll pay someone to do that for me. Like I said, guys, sorry I haven't updated a video. I need to do better, and I'm gonna try. Like always, don't forget to like, share, comment. Let me know how I'm doing, because you guys motivate me. And even me, all of us need a little motivation here and there. Come. Come.